satisfied with the treatment?
Very much.
Very much.
As I already mentioned to you that I started recommending to my friends,
Oh, great. Thank you.
friends and relatives.
Still, do you feel that you have need for your surgery for your lumbar spine?
I don't think so. I don't think I need to visit any other orthopedic surgeon or neurosurgeon or any other surgeon. You are the surgeon, I am the patient who came out of the surgery.
So you mean to say 80% of your pain has been reduced,
Yes.
and you don't have a nerve pain, pulling pain. You are able to do all your activities
Yes.
without pain.
Yes. My name is Prasad. I am 54 years old. The problem is the lower back pain along with the sciatic, right from lower back to the buttock, runs through the thigh as well as the calf muscle. And this has been nearly 1 year. 2 times I could recover in the past, but now it is very severe and I am not able to apply weight on the left side. So if you look at the posture, it's like always on the right side.
This is Dr. Rahul Gulve, physio and certified Austrian chiropractor. So today we are with Mr. Prasad Garu. We have treated him almost 55 visits.
Yeah.
The condition was, you can see in the previous video how he was. He had a pain and a severe disc bulge at L4, L5 and L5S1 and radiculopathy to his left leg. So now we are going to manipulate his L spine. Here, this is the part where we are manipulating. Super. Right? Oh, beautiful. So we are manipulating now upper and lower segment of the lumbar. You okay? Right. Good. Okay. Good. So this is how we manipulate the lumbar spine specifically. Now we'll mobilize the spine. Let's come in lying position. You have to turn aside. To mobilize, we follow Mulligan concepts, and in Mulligan's, that too in MDM level, mobilization with movement. We mobilize each and every vertebra. Now just I am mobilizing the spinous process of the vertebra to reduce the compression. This is the mobilization for the spinous process. Now we are mobilizing the bilateral facet joints. Do you have any pain?
No.
Previously, he used to have pain more at this L5S1 junction. Severity of the pain is more here and this sector.
Yes.
That is why he is having a pain at this whole segment, right?
Yeah.
So this is what we mobilize the each and every facet joints up. Right. So this helps to reduce the compression of the spine. Okay. And after these mobilizations, we have done decompression therapy. After mobilizing the spine, upper segment, we'll pull the lower segment down to release the compression of the nerve roots and to create a space in between for the disc. Okay, as we can see, this is the decompression machine. Are you feeling the pulling pain?
Yes. And as I said, I can feel that gap increasing.
Gap increasing.
Yeah, for the disc to set right.
Okay, good. After this, we'll go with a dry needling. So, needle a surface, we used to sanitize to clean the surface. Why? Because as we are doing invasive procedure, and the needle, what we do here is a acupuncture needle action, and every needle comes in its own light tube. As he has a structural issue at the L4, L5 and L5S1 junction on the left facet joints, this is how we needle to release the trigger points. And as we are creating micro injury to the structure, the brain will send healing supplements to the affected area. And as we are taking off the needle, definitely the gases in the structure also used to comes off.
Here?
Yeah.
So this is a sacroiliac joint. He
Here?
had pain in his piriformis area. What about your piriformis pain now?
I'm sorry?
What about your piriformis pain now?
It is almost gone.
Almost gone.
Yeah.
Good.
Here?
No. Yeah, all right.
Here?
No. No.
So now we are needling at L4, L5 and L5S1.
Relax.
So we are taking out the needles. This is the bin for the needle, where we collect all the infected needles and we burn it. As you can see, we don't have a single drop of blood also, after inserting this many needles. So yes, again we'll sanitize this. So now we are giving a shock waves which forms the cavitations. This also creates some micro injury to the structure. So we are selected a structure for lumbar spine area. This is form a very deeper cavitation in the structure. How is shock wave?
Yeah, it gives a very relaxing, relieving from the pain.
Okay.
Like especially the affected area.
Okay.
Okay, when it's like hammering.
Hammering.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
like hammering.
Okay.
And then that effect will gives the feeling of something is sitting right there.
Okay. You are able to get down without support now.
Yeah.
Good. So we are going to start laser now. We are choosing a program, lumbar spondylosis and acute conditions. So it is for 12 minutes 30 seconds. This laser helps to heal the structure. Actually, it works on quantum theory. Laser can be used for various areas, for ligament injury, muscle tears, joint degenerative changes, disc related issues. It heals the damaged tissue. After correcting the structure, if you are healing it, the result will be awesome actually. So after this laser, we'll go with a shortwave therapy, which is a deep tissue heating modality. It reduces the inflammation inside the structure. So this is a shortwave therapy. These are pads, electromagnetic pads. These are deepest tissue form of heating modality in the therapeutic world actually. It works on a continuous mode. We can give it in a pulsed mode. We usually prefer to give it in a pulsed mode so that the patient should not have a excessive heat inside. So it helps to reduce the inflammation actually, inflammation spasm in the muscle. We are giving for 10 minutes. So we have completed the treatment. All the manipulations, mobilizations, spinal and neural mobilizations, and laser, shortwave, shock waves, dry needling, cupping therapy. We have given you the core muscle strengthening exercises, right? So which gives you a proper external stability for the internal structure, which we have corrected and healed. Okay. How do you feel? How is your whole experience with this treatment?
So this 1 to 1.5 hour session is making me comfortable for the next 48 hours.
Great.
So this 48 hours again substituted with daily exercises as you suggested.
Yes.
So I'm doing that 6 times a day.
Great.
Spend about half an hour every session.
Great. Depending upon the damage of the structure, we have to put all our efforts to correct the structure. It is not like in the manual therapy, in the therapeutic approaches, it is our duty to only facilitate the structure. But as a patient, you have to maintain the structure. You have to put all your efforts. Then only the structure can be corrected. Otherwise, no, it is not. So after doing 30 minutes of exercises, how do you feel?
During the exercises, it's very painful.
Oh.
Okay, but after the exercises, it's comfortable.
Comfortable. For how long?
For about 2 hours.
2 hours. Great. So overallly, I think you are satisfied with the treatment.
Very much.
Very much.
And as I already mentioned to you that I started recommending to my friends.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Friends and relatives.
Thank you.
Like that comes only when you're self-satisfied.
Great.
Otherwise, you don't feel like spreading the news.
Great.
Like as the proverb says, if you are happy
Yes.
with somebody, okay, tell to others.
Great. Thank
If you are not happy, tell to the person only.
Thank you. So, still do you feel that you have a need for your surgery for your lumbar spine?
I don't think so. I don't think I need to visit any other orthopedic surgeon or neurosurgeon or any other surgeon.
Great.
You are the surgeon. I am the patient who came out of the surgery. That's all. Is the conclusion.
Thank you. So you mean to say the 80% of your pain, has been reduced,
Yes.
and you don't have a nerve pain, pulling pain. So you are able to do all your activities
Yes.
without pain,
Yes. Including the driving.
including the
I
driving.
mean, not two-wheeler, but four-wheeler.
Four-wheeler.
Yeah.
Good. So thank you. This is the whole treatment journey of Mr. Prasad Garu. So almost when he came for 1 week for the treatment, he lost the hope. Why? Because he has consulted many surgeons, many therapists in the city, different approaches. So as he had a very bad severe pain, so he felt maybe that this also a trial for him, and it could be it could not help him out. But again, when we have approached him after taking a steroid injection in the spine, so the story was same. So again, when we have approached him for the therapeutical procedure, so he got convinced and he started the treatment. So almost we have given 50 visits, more than 50 visits. So as this is the result in front of us. So he is doing all his activity. He is walking without pain. He is taking all the rotational and flexible movement from his lumbar spine, and he is able to sit almost how today we have treated him 1.5 hours. So with this time he is able to sit in an upright posture without pain, and he is very happy with the treatment. And he said that he is spreading the words with his friends. He is recommending for this kind of treatment approaches, and people thank you for your Prasad Garu. Thank you for your cooperation for this video also, and people who who are watching this video, and people who are suffering with this kind of mechanical pains, basically, which are not corrected through any medicine or any injections. As we used to get consultations, in the consultations people said we have consulted this many doctors, this many therapists, but people who are suffering with structural related issue, mechanical pains, only to treat that kind of pains with manually, not with the medicine. Okay, any medicine cannot be cure the structural related issue. So for the structural related issue, we have to treat it manually. Otherwise, we have to go for a surgical approach. The only two options to treat a source of the problem. If you want to treat your symptoms, like if you want to treat your pain, yeah, you can take any kind of medications to postpone the problem. But to have a proper treatment, to treat a proper structural related issue, to treat a source of the problem, you should have a proper manual therapist. You should get treated through manual therapist, so that you cannot get the problem again. You cannot get the problem again repeated. So thank you for watching this video. People who are suffering with this kind of mechanical problems, if you have any kind of pain in the body, you have a pain in your shoulder, knee joint, and neck pain, back pain, shoulder, elbow pains, ankle, please do contact us, and come with hopes, and we'll give you the best. And you did not to get a chance to visit another therapist. So thank you for watching.